Hey guys, John at Cross with a very special edition of the Jeep of the Week. This is our first build of the JTE, that's Jeep Truck Extreme. It's a package we do here at Cross. It's a stock Gladiator Rubicon that we go ahead and lift and put a 40-inch Nitto MT tire on. Thing looks incredible. It's all wrapped in a 17-inch AEV Borah rim. To go ahead and make sure the power stays appropriate, we upgraded the gearing to 513. Went ahead and threw on some AEV differential covers to fit that new gearing. Pretty neat with these fender flares. They're actually a two-piece. So on the JK, where you used to have to cut these or upgrade them completely, it's already a Highline fender flare on the stock Rubicon. So you drop that piece off and it gives you a lot more clearance here for a larger tire. It's the normal lift kit we throw on most of our stuff. It's a Mopar 2-inch, which is a phenomenal kit, but you'd think it wouldn't fit that 40. But with that Highline cut on the flare, fits just fine. Something I found to be pretty spectacular is that there's actually no extra bump stop in there, which is a comment I hear a lot when people see this thing. We just put the stock kit on there. It doesn't rub whatsoever. We flex the thing out fully. It performs incredible. It does have American Adventure Labs front inner fenders, as well as JCR off-road rear inner fenders as well. So on the front, we added American Adventure Labs Highline blinker kit. It's pretty slick the way it progresses that way. We had to take the hoops off the front bumper to clear those 40-inch tires. And then we went ahead and did American Adventure Labs inner front there. And then we do have a JCR rear as well. So on the back, we added a couple of points. We went ahead and threw on a Gladiator decal. Underneath, you'll notice AEV's rear diff cover. Again, we redid the gears. And then the big part of the back here is this JCR roof rack. It is fully removable, which is pretty cool. So if you don't like it in the vehicle, it's something that can be taken out. I think the final iteration of this is actually going to have a rooftop tent there as well. I just think this thing came out amazing. It is currently for sale. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to give us a shout anytime at 502-459-9900. We'll talk to you guys soon.